Let's make creamy Greek yogurt with sugar-free pudding from the 5-ingredient diabetic diet cookbook for beginners. You can find this on Amazon. It's linked below. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 cups Greek yogurt, 1 small box instant sugar-free yogurt, flavor of your choice. I've chosen cheesecake. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 cup berries, fresh or frozen. I'm using frozen, and 2 tablespoons chopped walnuts. I couldn't find walnuts, but I already have these sliced almonds, so I'm going to use those. I put 3 cups of Greek yogurt in my bowl. Now I'm going to add my sugar-free pudding mix cheesecake flavor, because cheesecake's my favorite, into my bowl. Just going to shake this over all of it. Always shake your nut milk because it will settle, and that's no fun. Okay. We're going to do 1/2 cup of this unflavored almond milk right into the same bowl, and then I'm going to whisk it together. Your nutritional facts for this recipe are 239 calories, 39 grams of protein, 3.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 280 milligrams of sodium. This is coming together quite nicely. It actually looks like a cheesecake, but I like that you can make it whatever flavor you want. And it does say that it will thicken up as it sets. And we're going to pour this into 1 cup servings. I'm going to put it in 4 different 1 cup mason jars because I love mason jars. And they can be served later. I could have these for dessert like throughout the week. This doesn't seem really thin to me. So maybe depending on where you are, it might be thinner. The temperature of your room, it might be thinner. I think I've got it pretty well stirred. I'm going to put it into my containers now. This size mason jar is automatically 1 cup. How do I know that? I just do because I can things. Look at that. 4 evenly distributed 1/2 pint mason jars with room for lid. I could put the berries on here. I'm not going to do that yet. I'll just do that as I eat them. But I can put lids on them, stick them in the fridge, and have them for later. I'm a firm believer that everybody should have mason jars. They're reusable. They're glass. You can use them for everything. You don't just need them for canning. There's what it looks like with some berries and some almonds, or you can use your pecans or walnuts, whatever you want to use. This is what I had. I was really wanting to lick the bowl, but I didn't because I wanted to do it like a reveal. You could probably even eat this without the extra stuff on top. Let's try it. That's so good. Made sure I got a blackberry on top there. This is my favorite. Oh my goodness. This is so good. You need to make this. I mean, make whatever flavor you want, but this tastes like cheesecake. And I didn't even let it set. This is definitely getting added into my rotation because I can set this aside. And when other people are having ice cream, I can have this. Check it out for yourself, and I'll see you next time.